Mabuhay Philippines! Namaste India! Welcome back to my channel! For those of you who doesn't know me yet, I'm Anna. I'm a Filipina, married to an Indian man, blessed with two handsome boys, and currently living here in Kerala, India. Today, we will be talking about Cyclone Tauktae. Last May 16, Cyclone Tauktae landfall here in Kerala with gale force winds, heavy rainfall, that damaged several houses and uprooting many trees, as well as power and internet cuts for many places. High tidal waves swept the coastal belt of Kerala, Karnataka, and Goa, and it continuously moves toward Maharashtra and Gujarat. According to India Meteorological Department Cyclone Warning Division, Tauktae wind speed is expected to increase to 150 to 160 km per hour, gusting up to 175 km per hour. The whole state of Kerala has been on high alert, and National Disaster Response Team had been deployed to affected areas. As you all know that Kerala state is in lockdown, and our place is in containment zone as well due to increase in number of COVID cases. And reeling under the impact of this cyclone is a double whammy for many villages. Kerala had witnessed massive flood in 2018 and another on 2019. Hence, Keralites are prepared to meet the first challenge that posed by the cyclone, and that we will overcome it again. Let me show you the different places and areas in Kerala that Cyclone Tauktae leaves some destruction, especially in the coastal area. Please watch this. Now, the sky is becoming more and more darker. I think the cyclone is coming, and it is forecasted that it will reach landfall in the evening. According to India Meteorological Department Cyclone Warning Division, Tauktae wind speed is expected to increase to 150 to 160 km per hour, gusting up to 175 km per hour. The rain started to fall, and as you can see, it is heavy rain, and it continuously rains. It's already in the afternoon, and the rain doesn't stop, and now it's in the evening and still raining, water continuously flowing. We don't know until when this will stop. This area is in Chabukad area, where it is near to this is in the coastal sea. You can see the water is flowing. Houses are already submerged in the water. Just want to give you a brief history about the Kerala flood last 2018. In August 2018, severe floods affected the state of Kerala due to unusually high rainfall during the monsoon season. It was the worst flood in Kerala in nearly a century. All 14 districts of the state were placed on red alert. According to Kerala government, 1/6 of the total population had been directly affected by the floods and related incidents, and about 1 million people were evacuated. It was declared the level 3 calamity or the calamity of a severe nature. It is the worst flood in Kerala after the Great Flood of 99 that took place in 1924. 35 out of 54 dams within the state of Kerala were opened for the first time in the history. All 5 overflow gates of the Idukki Dam were opened at the same time, and for the first time in 26 years, 5 gates of Malampura Dam of Palakkad district were opened. Heavy rains in Wayanad and Idukki have caused severe landslide and have left the hilly district isolated. The Central Water Commission has issued an orange bulletin for Kerala and Tamil Nadu, saying severe flood is expected due to Cyclone Taute. However, Kerala government has already issued red alert for 5 districts: the Malappuram district, which is in our district, Kozhikode, Wayanad, Kannur, and Kasaragod. Water already flows on the main road. This road is going to Chetwa. This is another coastal area here in Kerala. As you can see that some of the coconut trees are already fallen. Strong waves continuously distracting the coastal area. As you can see, there's already coastal erosion due to heavy, strong waves.
Seawater are continuously flowing in the residential area. As you can see that the houses are already half flooded. This is the second day that Typhoon Tauktae landfall in Kerala, and still raining. Not that much heavy, but it is water continuously flowing. At the moment, there's no power and internet has been cut due to heavy rains, and most probably some of the coconut trees has fallen to the electrical wirings or cables, and Tauktae is expected to move towards Maharashtra and Gujarat. Cyclone Tauktae doesn't cause much destruction in the state of Kerala. There are no major reports of destruction. However, places in Kochi, Kasaragod, Thrissur, and other places near coastal areas are affected due to flooding. And Alhamdulillah, thank God, we are safe, our family is safe, no flooding happens in area, even though we are just 2 kilometers away from the seashore. Now the rain is moderate. Cyclone Tauktae is moving towards other states.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the notification button and comment down below. Always be positive, and you will overcome everything that is come to your way. Always pray to Allah, always pray to God. Everything will be alright. God bless. Stay safe. Bye.